Right guys, this is the 5 minute strategy that I've been testing. It's basically, there's no indicators involved, it's pure price action, and what it's based on is a mathematical formula that me and Ollie discovered, which we'll go into a bit more depth in a minute. Now basically what it does is it adds the high, the low and the close of the previous candle together. So as you can see here, hold on, if I just skip it back a sec. What I'm getting there is the high, which was 958, the low was 932, and the close was 946. So then what we do is we go into our spreadsheet, which I have made just to calculate it automatically. So we put the high in the top box, the low in the middle, and the close of the candle in there. And what that does then is it gives us a figure, which is obviously this one here, which automatically works out the forecasted high and the forecasted low of the next 5 minute candle. It doesn't necessarily have to be a 5 minute candle. You can do this on 15 minutes, you can do it on half an hour, you can do it on an hour. But obviously I prefer short-term trading, so I've adapted it for a 5 minute period. So what we do next is we get the high, which is 959, and the low, which is 933, and we put them on our charts. So this is pre-recorded, so you can see I was just moving the lines to 933 and 959, yeah, which it was. So there are lines which the formula is calculated for us. Now that's predicting that this candle here, 959 is the high and 933 will be the low. So let's see. Yeah, and what we do then, we flick to a 1 minute chart just for a better entry. We can obviously judge it better if it's going to, spike out or whatever else. So let's see. Obviously got my broker open here, just on the side of the screen. Already got my amount. This was a demo account I was using just for the purpose of the video. Like I say, it doesn't make no difference to trading live. You just got to forget that it's live really, and just press the button. If you've got a small account, use a small amount. Right, so all we were waiting for is a touch of 959. We don't want to go in at 958. Obviously with it short-term trading, 1 micro pip can make a difference. And if you see a big spike out, it's the same as the signals at night time. Double up or place 1 or 2. I like to just place 1 and keep it safe. But as you use it and progress more, you'll find what's best for you. Let's just skip it forward slightly. There we go. So we're getting close to that top line. So what we're looking to do is, obviously the time was 8:46. So we want our expiry at 8:50. So, the next 5 minute increment ending, because that's when this range finishes. And what will happen then is there'll be a slightly different range. So we don't want to place a 5 minute put at 8:46 because it's not going to expire till 8:51 when a new range is in play, if you get my meaning. So I've already got the expiry in, so we'll have a look, see what happened. See, it's at 958 now. I've still not took it. I think it just comes through the line and I take it down. Waiting. You have got to be quick sometimes, like you'll see in a sec. There you go, bang, I'm in. And straight away it's gone. So it's quite simple, guys. Obviously it came for a micro pip on the line. Sometimes you are going to have a big spike. It might come up to here. And what I place them anyway, because what you find a lot of the time is in that last minute or two of the 5 minute period, this range just pulls price back into it. It's like a magnet. So trades place, let's skip forward a bit. Keep skipping, there you go. What we can do is, if price was to come out the bottom now, we can place a call to expire at 8.50 also. So we're hedging the trade. I don't think it did on this one, but there is a lot of times when I've done that, and I've had 2 in the monies. Sometimes you might have 1 in the money, 1 out the money, but you know, it is what it is. So let's skip. I think this is the last minute candle until 8.50. There you go. I've dragged my broker over just so you can see. 2 seconds to go. Expires in the money, and it is literally that simple. The only thing is with the formula, obviously, so now what we'd be doing is we'd be flicking back into the 5 minute to get the new range. So we'd again get the high, the low, and the close off the 5 minute candle that's just finished. We'd put it into our spreadsheet. That'd give us our forecasted high and low for the next 5 minute period. We'd move these accordingly. Set your broker to 8.55, and then we just wait for the opportunity to come. And again, like I say, it is that simple. So if you've got any questions on it, feel free to ask me. I'll send you the spreadsheet that we use as well. So yeah, that's